Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by defining clear learning outcomes and the exact scope. This shapes every choice. Once done, identify only open license or public domain materials and list them for students. Make sure to draft the prompt, rubric, and deliverables now so you control permitted sources. You'll avoid guessing later and provide immediate clarity. By starting with goals and vetted sources, you reduce risk and speed up creation. Now move to designing the student-facing parts. Next, craft prompts that force original thinking. Ask students to analyze, synthesize, or apply concepts so copying isn't viable. Alongside, specify citation rules. Format, when to attribute, and short examples to model compliance. Once done, attach a vetted pack of allowed media with license labels so students can access materials safely. Make sure to include how much reuse is permitted and any transformation requirements. This prevents accidental copyright misuse during execution. Finish by building a rubric that explicitly scores originality, correct source use, and attribution. This tells students exactly what you expect. Then implement a brief pre-grading workflow, automated plagiarism scans, and quick license checks on suspect materials. If problems surface, act quickly. Inform the student, offer revision with allowed sources, or replace the resource list. One key troubleshooting tip: if recurring misuse happens, simplify the prompt and supply curated, clearly licensed examples.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.